250 dirhams. 250 dirhams. You guys can do that as well. Who likes having some coffee or chai? Make some noise. Who likes coffee or chai? Who likes coffee or chai? Perfect. The first person to get me a bottle of water, small, big, anything whatsoever, win this bottle. Congratulations. What is your name? What is your name? Paul. Paul. Congratulations. What is your name? Lucas and Paul. Make some noise. Lucas and Paul. Get it, everyone. Yeah. Congratulations. You walk away with a cordless electric kettle. Everyone, make some noise for Lucas. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Now, before we take a break, guys, I have got vouchers worth 1,000 dirhams from Sharaf Dt. 1,000 dirhams, which we're going to do in just a short while. We'll take a break before that. I want you guys to shop, continue shopping, and then make sure you win these vouchers so you can shop again at Sharaf Dt, right? There are a lot of offers going on. Who wants what? What are you here to buy? What are you here? Hair dryer! Ooh, for yourself or for your wife? For wife, of course. What are you here for, sir? Washing machine. What are you here for, bro? A buy a phone. What are you here for? You're here for the watch. What are you here for? What do you want? A gas stove. What are you here for, my man?
Christmas present.
Christmas presents! Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas! We're gonna make sure tonight Sharaf Dt is your Santa. You're gonna get a Christmas present. What do you want for a Christmas present? What do you want? Come here. What do you want for a Christmas present?
iPhone 14 Max Pro.
Whoa! That's an expensive gift! So an iPhone 14 Pro. Who else wants a Christmas present? Who's here for Christmas shopping? What's your name, man? What's your name? Ruchi, what are you here for?
I was here for looking laptop.
Ooh, a laptop. What else are you here for, sir?